Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from CapCut projects to your mobile to PC. So to do this is pretty simple. Here all you have to do is log into your account, of course. If you didn't do that, there's another video regarding this topic right here, so go check that out. So from there, you will have to go to your spaces. So you can create one here or you can join. So you want to create one, for example, and let's create one right here. Let's say we have one. So right here we already have one. So from here you have in your cloud. So in your CapCut in your phone, all you have to do is upload it to the cloud basically, or just back it up. So basically it will show up right here. So all you have to do is upload to space and then go here to your own folder so that it will appear here in your own cloud. So there you go. So once you've done that, just press confirm on your phone and then it's gonna upload now. And then you can also set limits, of course, if you want to. So all you have to do is upload to space and upload. So here we're gonna check our own space right here. So we have our own space right here. We have two actually, so you can check it out right here if it's accessible. So this works out the other way around, so you can do this. So once you have here in your home, go here and then you can actually upload this to your own spaces. So here just choose your own space and then here in your untitled folder just upload and then got it. So there you go. You have to update CapCut to its latest version, of course, for this to work. And there you go. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.